My name is Mackenzie, and I am the Curator of Integrated Biology here at the San Bernardino County Museum. I take care of the biology collections, so I'm responsible for our birds, our mammals, our herps, so that includes reptiles and amphibians, our plants, and our insects. Our egg collection is the 5th largest egg collection in the world. The collection dates back to the mid-1800s. It was donated primarily by a man named Wilson C. Hanna. He is a local to the area. He was raised in Colton, California, and he donated his huge egg collection of anywhere from 100 to 150,000 eggs to the museum. It's one of the first collections that the museum ever had, so the egg collection really is a huge component of the biology collection here at the San Bernardino County Museum. Hannah was very much involved in the museum when it first began, and he really inspired a lot of the early exhibits here at the museum as well. We had what is now our Hall of Minerals, and our Hall of Biodiversity was actually at one point our Hall of Land Birds and our Hall of Water Birds, and those collections were, almost the entire collection was on display at that point in time. Let's go take a look at the egg collection. Here we have some vulture eggs. These are from Africa. Many of these eggs are the eggs of endangered species. You can see, for example, that this egg from a black vulture, you can see the date here written on it is 1866. That is the year that this egg was collected. You can see further on the tag that it was collected April 4th, 1866. This is the egg card for that specimen. These cards are as old as the eggs. They were written by the person who collected them, in this case in 1866. This specimen was collected from southern Spain. They mention here that it had some markings. On the back of that card, we have a little bit of information from Wilson C. Hanna. So egg collecting has been a big hobby all the way back to the early 1800s, all the way up to 1950. They really enjoyed just trying to get as many different kinds of eggs as they possibly could. Mostly the hobby of people who considered themselves to be naturalists. So they weren't necessarily trained scientists. They were still technically doing it as a hobby. And yet at the same time, when they collected these eggs, they were interested enough in the natural world that they were collecting all kinds of other data related to the eggs themselves, where they were collected, when they were collected, what stage of development the egg was in when they collected it, what kind of materials the nest was made out of, bird behavior sometimes. Even though they were collected by hobbyists, they still have a lot of scientific value for museums today. Around the 1950s, a law was passed saying that eggs were no longer collectible by the average person. These days, you can't just go out into the wild, take eggs out of a nest and keep them for yourself. Here we have some of our eggs that we are planning to put on display in the near future. In this drawer we have our eggs that will be part of our color section, and then we have on this side eggs that are going to be our size and shape section. So you can really see a lot of the differences between some of these eggs. So we have some of our very large eggs that are very deeply colored. We have lighter colored eggs that are more of a green color. We have eggs so brown they kind of border on almost being red. We have some of my favorite eggs, which are these tinamou eggs. These eggs are naturally this shiny. They are naturally this color, and this shiny hue that is on it is actually how it comes out of the bird. We also have a lot of eggs with a variety of speckling, spots, and coloration all over the egg. Lines and scribbles. They almost look like somebody has taken a pencil and deliberately scribbled on them. This is actually how the egg is laid, and this pigmentation happens inside of the bird just before it comes out of the bird. We also have a huge variety of egg sizes in our collection and egg shapes. So this egg is the egg of a black-chinned hummingbird. This is one of the tiniest eggs in the world, all the way up to our most recent modern day eggs like our ostrich eggs. The ostrich egg is the largest egg for anything that is alive today. There were bigger eggs back in the era of dinosaurs. By comparison to the largest egg we've ever known, which is our elephant bird egg. This is a real elephant bird egg in our collection. It was found in Madagascar. They are fossilized. So this is not a modern day egg. This was laid by the extinct elephant bird. I hope that you enjoyed this look at the egg collection here at the San Bernardino County Museum.